Got to get it, Papa. Well, it's getting close to the New Year's Eve, and so I did all my shopping, and I got my big giant pile of explosive materials and all, and it's gonna be time to do some demonstrations and test them at my personally approved testing fireworks testing facility place. And that way, by the time I'm done, you'll have no questions whatsoever about what kind of exciting displays you want to get for your New Year's experience. It's like a public service thing. I feel all good about myself. But anyway, I got to get out there, so hang on. Well, here I am at Specialty Testing Center Bravo Sierra, also known as the looked at explosive plant testing place. And we got all our facilities getting set up and everything. Got to get all my proper safety equipment. And let's see. That. There, now I'm ready. I'm ready for anything. And we got to do a scientific test of all these things, so you know exactly what to do if you light something and it blows up yourself. Okay, as you can see, we have my professionally trained staff is all ready to show the explosive area, which is back there. And that's where all the testing is going to happen. And this is a bag of stuff that is going to be tested. And this is my notebook, my notepad, to make sure I get all the proper notes. You notice it's a little windy out here. We talked to somebody at NASA, and they said the wind's going to blow a little bit. So we're going to keep that in mind while we try to blow some things up. So let's get started. I'm going to show each item and then put it out there and blow it up. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. I'm not putting my face in there because I don't want to distract you from our experiment. Oh, well, if you can read that, then you know what it is. Translated, this is a hen laying egg. Yeah, hen laying egg. And it's highly volatile. He's got a fuse coming out of the business end there. And as you can see, it's flammable, and it emits flaming pellets, just like a real chicken. So without any further ado, I'm gonna set this up and we'll see what happens. Let me try to zoom in on that me. Slight adjustment. I forgot I got an extra tool to help me with that. I consulted with my technical staff and I think we got this fixed. This is a punk, by the way. They call it a punk, or some people call it a ponk. And you use that to light, so you don't have to use a match. And usually they work pretty good. We're gonna find out. Uh-oh, my chicken blew away. Okay. Come on, chicken. Hold still. It's gonna blow up. Fire in the hole. Go, Papa. Successful test. Yep, that's a goner. Okay, so that was the hen laying an egg. All right, for this next one, it's kind of a military thing. As you can see, as it goes through the islands and the waters, it's gonna attack with 3 projectile type things. And this is a tank fireworks, in case you couldn't tell. I'm gonna go set it up and we'll see what it does. It's got wheels on it, so I'm expecting it to take off like a rocket or something. Uh-oh. Cool, look at that. Paya! Boy, imagine some little army men's coming up on that. All right. Now this, as you can see, is balls of fury. And the metallic material, and they emit crackling sparks. Light fuse. Oh wait, lay on ground. I don't think it's gonna be too comfortable, but lay on ground, light fuse, and get away. Do not hold in your hand as much as you'd like to. This is not something you hold in your hand when you light it, and it's packed in this this little plastic bag thing for safety. It's for safety. So, all right. We got our chicken and our tank. And the punk's still good. Okay. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm kind of nervous about this one. Okay. I think so far that was about the most impressive of all. And I only did the one, so we'll see what happens. But it got the dogs next door going. They're our sentinels for safety. But now we got something, since the balls of fury were pretty furious, we got something that should maybe calm things down a little bit. Yeah, it's the unicorn of death. It's you pull off his little horn, or her horn, its horn, and there's a fuse safely tucked inside its forehead, like most unicorns. You bet you didn't know that. And it's gonna shoot some fire and stuff out of here and out of its ears, maybe out of its forehead too, I don't know. But this is gonna be exciting. I get to keep this for a little while, and then I have a fancy toy to play with when I'm done. Let's go see. I better point it away. I don't know if I want to point it at me. Point it this way, see what happens. I have to get on the proper side because of the angle of deflection. All right. Woo! It's shooting out of his head. Wait, his hand didn't go off yet. Whoa. Oh man. Well, that unicorn was chock full of excitement. Okay, just to warn you, this next one, to follow up on the unicorn of excitement there, I'm following it up with the killer bees. I don't know exactly what this is gonna do. It's gonna shoot up in the air for sure, but I don't know what else, because there's stuff all over. All these bees got something inside them. I don't know if you could see that too good. So yeah, well, let's see what killer bees does. I might zoom out a little bit because this is liable to be so exciting that it can't be contained within this screen. And the wind's picking up, just by the way. I think we're reaching 40 miles an hour. I don't know which side to get on for safety. Light fuse getaway. Oh yeah! Look at that! Some killer bees, yeah. Okay, get ready everybody, the wind's picking up again, but look what's coming. It's the Millennium Falcon, but it's also known as the Legend, if you can read the little button sticker thing on it. And but it looks suspiciously like a spaceship from a show, but I'm not gonna say which one. So let's see what if we can blow up this. Hang on, I might have to move that bucket out the way. Uh-oh. Oh, God. They better shoot stuff at me. Well, it's just like the movie. Oh, okay. I'm taking a quick break to enjoy a an Americano Chapelina thing, and it should be delicious. I have to use caution and rip this thing off of it, I think. Yeah, actually I'm not even gonna take the whole, well, I better take the whole thing off. I don't know what it's supposed to do, except it looks like coffee, so we're gonna see what happens. And it emits showers. Ooh, silver gerb with red strobes, silver cries with red blue pearls. Ah, there you go, now you talking. What that means. Now if I can get up, I'm gonna go light this thing. Boat's still going. Stand back, everybody. Talk about, man, that was super impressive, and that made me thirsty too. Let's see, I'm gonna go straight into this next one because I don't know what's gonna happen. But remember those swords I saw? Well, I got me one. It's a night saber. You don't open it up. Oh, I think I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna rig it so it stands up by itself. I think you're supposed to be able to hold it. It emits showers of sparks. I mean, what can happen? Okay, well. I'm just doing what it said on the label. Look at that. That's just like a real sword. Wow, that was impressive. Up next, we have these, the blazing farm aminals. And I guess they fight and stuff. They're like on the picture. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. I think I'm supposed to take it out of this bag first. Do not hold in hand, light fuse, and get away. Oh wait, I didn't light it yet. Emits showers of sparks. That's gonna be different. We'll put them so they can fight, because that's the whole point. Anyway, okay, well, I guess, I don't know. They might have to fight one at a time. If I get scared, I'm running. Oh, I'm out of here. Okay. Come on, chicken. He's eating too many beans. That was it? Well, I'm gonna try the red one. Because I had to run away before the red one lit. You better not do anything. Oh. Here we go. Now you're gonna see some fighting. Oh, see, that's what I was expecting. Wow. Oh! and he's pointed right at us. All right, now I'm gonna do something fairly tame before our big finale. But you know, the party poppers, these are pretty easy, and you don't even need a ponk to light them. You can even do it yourself. You don't have to have a helpful ponk. But I'm gonna do one of these. It's windy, so they're gonna fly all over. But basically, you hold it like a little bottle, like you're getting in a fight with a bottle, and you pull that. That's the fuse. That's the trigger thing that you pull that, and that's how you pop it. Man, watch that. Look out, because this could be good. Watch. You see that? Pyro! Yeah, I told you it wasn't anything too extreme. I'll do another one just because I got a bunch. See? Pull that little fuse out. And I'm even holding the other ones right here, and it's not blowing me up so far. So, ready? I'll make it fly at the camera a little bit. Pyro! That was impressive, but it's just about time for the big finale. Look at the wreckage. All right, now this next one's a favorite, a perennial favorite, as they say. Oh, here he is. Can you see him? I don't know if he's focused too good. See him? Everybody likes these. That's a Poopy Puppy. And everybody loves a Poopy Puppy. So wait till you see what he gets to do. Okay, first you gotta make his little stand. It's kind of tricky. You see, you fold the bottom, it makes a little stand like that. So then he can really squat and do his tricks. I'll see if I can put him someplace where he doesn't blow away. Barnyard set up. Okay. Okay, where's the fuse? Oh. That's his fuse. Wait till you see this. Yep, that's the Poopy Puppy. Pyro! And that's what Poopy Puppies do. So, I'm gonna have to get the camera all set up nice so you can get a real good view of this competition that's coming up, because man, it's a competition. The wind's picking up. I'm gonna have to get in touch and see what NASA tells me about it. We got some fine tuning to do with our video equipment. Let me get my hand out of the way. Oh, there we go. And now you can see downwind or downfield at all the wreckage. So let me get everything set. Okay, is this thing still on? Okay, because we have another contender, another Poopy Puppy's ready to make his appearance, more or less. But he's gonna be challenged by this. Yes, the Circus Peanut elephant. And we're gonna see who is the ultimate peanut pooper. Poopy Puppy or the Circus Peanut elephant. The competition is, I don't even want to describe the competition, but let me get these things prepped. because you have to go through a certain preparation mode. Get the fuse extended. Okay. Circus Peanuts is set up a little different. He's got more of an angle to his little stand, and the fuse fell out. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Alright, well, I'm not sure if Circus Peanut's gonna work because the fuse came out, but I put it back in there in his compartment. I'm out of here. The fuse works good. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I don't know, that's pretty impressive. We can do them one at a time. Oh, he smokes a lot too. He's emitting some odors. Now that was impressive. The peanut man elephant thing had some extra odor emitters. That's a big surprise there. And here we go, and Poopy Puppy's starting his run, and it's impressive. He's dropping them all over. Look at that, and what a spectacular finish for the amazing Poopy Puppy. I don't know about y'all, but I was pretty impressed. All right, we're I'm totaling up some stuff on my notepad here, and I just want you to think about all the excitement that you just got to witness, and yeah, so that finale with the Poopy Puppy Peanut elephant, whatever his name is, competition, that really clinched the attention, I guess you could say. Pretty impressive results from both of those. I was impressed with the peanut elephant guy because his gas cloud that came out was unexpected, and then he followed with the sparks and the sparkles, and it's a new one. I never saw that one before. I've seen Poopy Puppy's been out for a while, so I was pretty impressed. So yeah, if any of that helps you decide what type of things you could get to have some New Year's fun, hopefully that did help, and you'll remember where you heard it first, and then you'll know to punch that subscribe button, and you see that subscribe button, and you punch that subscribe button, you punch it like playa, and then you can get all the excitement. If I ever do this again, I don't know. Maybe 4th of July they have some different stuff, but you can get the big thing. Okay, everybody gets the stuff that shoots way up in the air and pops and sparkles, and everybody, oh, ooh, ah, and they all get all teary-eyed. But yeah, after watching like the hen laying egg and the unicorn, remember the unicorn that shot stuff out of his ears and his brain, and well, the killer bees goes without question. The blazing farm animals, I don't know. I expect a little more from the chickens. I thought they were gonna fight good, but maybe I did something wrong. Then of course, you know, the tame stuff, the party popper is always good. But then the Poopy Puppy and the peanut elephant thing, that that is what New Year's means to me. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I will go take one last pass at the look at the carnage, and we'll get ready to see you on the next look that in a new year. Woohoo! 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 Ow. Oh yeah. A good time was had by all.